What's up, guys? So today Aric is going to assemble the old L33 version Rev 2. We're gonna call it Rev 2. So it has eagle rods now and everything else is brand new again except the pistons, and it has a new old crank because the old one was tweaked. It has 240,000 miles on it, but she's clean, so that's all that matters. But yeah, he's going to install the cam bearings after we deburr them because they're burred, and go from there. What's going on, guys? It's the next day. We're gonna get this long block together. We walking in. Here's Aric boy. What's up, dog?
What's up?
Head gaskets are on. Now, quantity 2 heads. Oh boy. That was satisfying. Hell yeah. It's not the first time, and it won't be the last time. Sick! That's a long boy right there. I'm gonna grab the valve covers, I suppose.
I need that.
Alright, what's up, guys? So, Aric had to dip for tonight. The long block is done. Tomorrow we're gonna bolt on all the little stuff. So, oil pan, valve covers, the new oil housing for the oil cooler, we're gonna put that on. Yeah, and then gonna pop that thing in. Trans, everything's ready to go. I gotta put the clutch on. New pilot bearing. But yeah, that's it. I'm so excited to get this car running. You guys have no idea. Like, oh, still under a month. 29th will be a month. It'd be crazy to have this thing like turn around, new motor put in, fire suppression, everything done in 1 month. So yeah, I will catch you guys in the morning, and yeah, we'll continue on the engine. Boy. One bald eagle unit ready for service.
You should give me one of those eagle stickers so I can just like slap it on the front time you come in.
God damn, she is running. So, got the exhaust done, or the new rear section. It now exits way up under here. It sounds gnarly. I'll do a video of that tomorrow probably. But yeah, I'm hyped. It's good, it's got coolant, everything's bled. I think I'm gonna call it a day. Had a little grounding issue, but got all my grounds hooked up now, so she's good to go. I'm hyped. Shout out to Moe's. Once again, they killed it. They got my injectors like way clean. You should have seen them before. It was really bad, so. Hell yeah, boys, we in business. Thanks for watching. Hit the MF subscribe. Like the video, drop a comment, whatever, you know, YouTube stuff. We'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.